Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I am excited to show you this amazing integration I have created between BigCommerce and LinkedIn with the help of Pabbly Connect, wherein whenever I update a product on my BigCommerce store, a post gets automatically created on my LinkedIn page. And the best part is that I have created this whole automation and integration with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create such an amazing automation, then let me take you right onto my screen. Alright, so now we are on my screen, and in this video I am going to create an amazing integration between BigCommerce and LinkedIn, wherein whenever I will update any new product on my BigCommerce store, it will automatically get created as a post on my LinkedIn page. And I am going to create this amazing integration with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let me just give you a real-time example of how this workflow works. This is the home page of my WooCommerce account, and this is my store. Here you can see I have added multiple products in my BigCommerce store. So now I'll just simply click on this quick view option, and you can see these are the details of the product that I have added, named Able Brewing System, and I sell it for 225 rupees. Now I'll go back to my BigCommerce account, and then from here this product option, you can see these are all the products that I have added on my store, and this was the product Able Brewing System that I have just shown you. Now I'll just simply click on this product, and then I will update some of the minor details in this product, and then we will go and check our LinkedIn account to see if a new post is created on our LinkedIn page about this update or not. So I will simply increase the price of my product as 2250 rupees from 225 rupees. Now I'll just simply click on this save button, and here you can see this is my LinkedIn page, and when I will scroll down, you can see this is the latest post that I have created, made about our recent update on BigCommerce store. Exciting update. I just updated one of our classic products in the store. We have enhanced its features and improved its performance for a better user experience. Check it out and let us know your thoughts. And you can see this is the link of our product. Now I'll just simply click on this link, and here you can see this is the product that I have just shown you was being sold for 225 rupees, is now being sold for 2250 rupees. This means that as soon as I made even a slight change in my product, a post with details about that update got created on my LinkedIn page. And now I'm going to show you how you can also create such an automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for this, you just have to go on the new tab and enter pabbly.com/connect and click on this enter button, and then you will land on this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Herein you can see we got these two different options in this top right corner. First one is sign in, and the other one is sign up for free. If you are a new user, then you just have to click on this sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Connect gives every new user 100 free tasks every month to create such amazing automations. And if you are an existing user, so you just have to click on this sign in button. But before clicking on this sign in button, let me tell you in brief about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of more than 20,000 subscribers, wherein individuals post their doubts, ask their queries, which in return are answered by our experts. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I have added a link of our community in the description box of this video, so you can join our Facebook community from there. Now, as I am an existing user, so I will just simply click on this sign in button. And as soon as I clicked on sign in button, you can see I have landed on this all apps page of Pabbly, wherein Pabbly has these 7 different powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use Pabbly Connect, so I will just simply click on this access now button. You can see I have landed on this dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and in here on this top right corner here, I get an option of create workflow. I can start creating my workflow by clicking simply on this option. And also on this left corner here, you can see this is the plus button given to me in front of this folder option. By clicking on this plus button, I can create folders and save my workflows in those particular folders to stay organized. Now to create a workflow, I'll just go and simply click on this create workflow button. And here you can see these two different workflow builders come in front of me. First one is our new beta version, which is modern, faster and more flexible. And the second one is this classic version, which is a stable and more familiar approach. So for this video, I will select this classic version. And here you can see this dialog box appears in front of me. Now, first of all, I will give my workflow a meaningful name. And from here, I can select the folder in which I want to save my workflow. And after selecting folder, I have to click on this create button. And here you can see our workflow is created successfully. And now you can see these two boxes, trigger and action, come in front of us. First box is the trigger. It says whenever this happens, action says do this. So the trigger is basically the event on the occurrence of which our workflow starts. And the action is the response towards our trigger. Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, or we can say the two building blocks on which the entire automation works. So to help you better understand how these two boxes, trigger and action, works, let me first discuss with you my objective for today's workflow. So today what I want is that whenever I update any new product on my BigCommerce store, I want to automatically create and post about that update on my LinkedIn page. So for today, my trigger application will be BigCommerce and my trigger event will be product updated, because I want that whenever I update any product on my BigCommerce store, then only I want my workflow to trigger. And for action, I want to create a post on LinkedIn. So my action application will be LinkedIn and my action event will be share an article on LinkedIn. And we know that there is no native integration between BigCommerce and LinkedIn. So to integrate these two different applications, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So first of all, let me connect my trigger step, my BigCommerce store with Pabbly Connect. For this, I just have to open this box and here I have to click on this connect button. And then you can see I got these two options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you have already connected your BigCommerce account with Pabbly Connect, then you have to click on this second option. But if not, then you have to click on this add new connection. I will click on this add new connection. And here you can see I have to enter these following details like client ID, access token and store hash key to connect my account with Pabbly Connect. To get these details, you just have to click on this hyperlink given here, API accounts, and then you will land on this page where you have to log in your BigCommerce account. And here you can see I have entered my login details. Now I'll simply click on this login button. And here I have successfully logged in my BigCommerce store. Now I have to click on this create API account and then I have to fill up these following details to generate my details. First, for this token type, I will select this V2 V3 API token and I will name it as any product updated. You can give it any name you want, and for this API path, it is automatically selected. Now I have to modify some of these boxes to connect my BigCommerce store with Pabbly Connect. So to learn which of them to modify, you have to go back on your Pabbly Connect account and you can read from here which boxes you have to modify. Content, customers, information and settings, marketing, orders and product. So we have to modify these 6 options. So I will go back to my BigCommerce store and here I will modify content, customers, information and settings, marketing, orders, and at last I will modify products. And then you have to click on this save button. And here you can see we have received our client ID, our client secret and our access token. So I just have to copy this client ID from here and then I have to go back on my Pabbly Connect account and I will paste my client ID here. And for access token, I'll go back again to my BigCommerce account and I will copy this access token from here and I will go to my Pabbly Connect and I will paste my access token here. And for this store hash key, you just have to go on your BigCommerce store and you have to copy whole of this URL and go back to your Pabbly Connect account and paste it right here. And then you have to select and delete this HTTPS store and delete it like this, and from here dot my BigCommerce like this, and this is your required store key. Now you have to click on the save button and you can see our BigCommerce account is connected successfully with Pabbly Connect. Now I will click on this save and send test request button and you can see we have to go back to our BigCommerce store and again we have to go on this all product option, and from here I will change details of any of these following products that I have added in my stores, and will go back to our Pabbly Connect account to see if the Pabbly Connect captures the details or not. So I will update this oak cheese grater. I have clicked on this, and then these are the details about my product oak cheese grater. So again, I will do a simple update. I will increase the price of this product from 34.95 to 3,495 rupees only. And now I will simply click on this save button. And here you can see my product is saved successfully. Now I'll go back to this Pabbly Connect account to see if Pabbly Connect has received any response or not. And here you can see Pabbly Connect has received a response, and it has given me the data ID, but you can see there are no details captured about the product. So I will click on this plus button and create an action step, and again I will choose BigCommerce as my action application, and then I will choose action event as get a product. And now I'll click on this connect button, and here, as I had already connected my BigCommerce store with Pabbly Connect, so I will choose this select existing connection and click on this save button, and my account is connected successfully. Now I have to enter the product ID. So for this I will take help of mapping. What mapping is, I will tell you later in this video. So right now I'll just simply map the product ID from the response that I have received in my previous step. Like this, you can see this was the data ID that I had received in my previous step. So I'll just simply select it from here, and you can see our data ID is mapped. Now I'll click on this save and send test request button. And here you can see we have received all the details about the product that we had just updated. So this was the name of our product, this was the type of our product, this was our SKU, this was the description of our product, and you can see this is the updated price. We changed our price from 34.95 to 3,495. So this means that we have also received all the details about the product that we had just updated. Now I want to create a post about the same on my LinkedIn page. So to create a post on LinkedIn, first I will connect my LinkedIn account with Pabbly Connect. For this, I will simply click on this connect button, and then I will click on this add new connection button, and then I will click on this connect with LinkedIn. And here you can see it is asking me to enter my email or phone and password. I have already entered my email ID, and now I will enter my password. And then I have to click on this sign in button, and here you can see our authorization is successful. This means that our LinkedIn account is connected with Pabbly Connect. And now I have to fill up these following details to create a post about the update that I had made in my BigCommerce store. So the author I have selected as Ashi. Now I have to fill up this content field, this article URL field, and this visibility I will choose as public. And now again I will take help of mapping to fill up these following fields. So first, let me give you in brief detail about what mapping actually is. When we map data, it becomes dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, it will automatically update the old data with the new captured data. But if I fill that field manually, the data will remain static and will not change unless we manually change it. So we have to maintain a balance while we fill up these fields. Like if I want to add some data that I want to remain static, so I will type it manually. But if I want to add some data and I want that particular data to get changed automatically with every new update, so I will take help of mapping, and now I'll simply enter the content. So here you can see I have entered the data that I want to stay static, like greetings everyone, we have just made a change in our product dash. Considering the rise in the response that we have received regarding the product, we have made it more premium. So please go on and check out the new dash. It is available again just for you. You can also see that I have purposefully left these two places blank because this data that I have typed manually, I want it to remain static all the time. But now I will map the name of the product which I want to get changed automatically. So if I will type the name of the product manually here, then it will not change and it will remain static forever. But I want my product name to change with respect to the product that I update or that I make change to next time. So to let that product update automatically, I will map the name of my product from the response that I have received in my previous step. Now I will search here name, and this was the name of my product. So you can see I have mapped it, and I will map the name of my product again here. I will search name, and this was the name of my product. So here I have successfully filled up the content of the post that I want to create on LinkedIn. And to get this article URL, you have to go on your BigCommerce store, you have to go on the product, then you have to click on this all product button, and from here this was your product. So you have to click on this, and now you have to click on this view on storefront option, and then you can see here is the demo product that we have created. And for the article URL, you have to simply copy this whole URL. So I will copy this URL, and I will go back to my Pabbly Connect account, and I will paste it here. And then I have to make a slight change in this URL, because I know that this oak cheese grater will not always be the product that I have made change to. So I will select this from here to here, and I will simply delete it. And you can see this is the URL of my store, and to select the URL of that particular product, you have to search for custom URL, and now you can map this custom URL from here. And then you can see I have filled all of these following fields. Now I have to click on this save and send test request button, and you can see we have received this share ID in response by Pabbly Connect. And now I will go to my LinkedIn page to see if a new post is added about that update or not. And here you can see this is the latest update posted on my LinkedIn page as greetings everyone. We have just made a change in our product oak cheese grater. So this was the name of the product that I had made change to. Considering the rise in the response that we have received regarding the product, we have made it more premium. So please go on and check out the new oak cheese grater. It is available again just for you, and this is the link that we have added for our product. Now I'll click on this link, and you can see this was exactly the product that I had made changed and showed you guys. So this was the demonstration right in front of you, wherein just in simple 3 steps I have created an automatic integration between these different apps, BigCommerce and LinkedIn, wherein whenever any new product will be updated on my BigCommerce store, an update about the same product will get created as a post in my LinkedIn account. So this is how you can also create such an amazing automations with the help of Pabbly Connect. And to clone this workflow, I will share a link of this workflow in the description box of this video. So if you liked this video, then please like and subscribe to Pabbly's YouTube channel, and thank you for watching this video. Not only these applications, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this given website here. Also, if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with our friends. Thank you.